Role of microbes as biofertilizers. First, what is a fertilizer? Fertilizer is a substance which increases nutrient value or which increases fertility of soil. That means which increases production of plants, that is crop yield. So fertilizer is a substance which increases fertility of soil. As a result, production and growth of plants increases. Soil fertility means amount of minerals present. Also means amount of minerals present in soil increases. Now, what is biofertilizer or definition of biofertilizer? Biofertilizers are basically microbes present in soil or soil, water or air, which increases amounts of minerals, for example phosphorus, nitrogen, amount of minerals and also other substances like nitrogen, phosphorus, due to their growth. So as microbes grow, they increase the amount of nutrients, that is nitrogen, phosphorus, etc. in the soil. So microbes which acts as biofertilizers are of various types. Various types of microbes act as biofertilizers. For example, symbiotic, free-living and cyanobacteria. So for example, and few, as I told, few of these microbes can be present in the soil, or they can form symbiotic relationship, or they can be present in air or water as well. For example, free living, that is Azotobacter, that is rhizobium. Rhizobium is a free living bacteria present in soil which can fix atmospheric nitrogen. These are called the bacteria which can fix atmospheric nitrogen are called nitrogen fixing bacteria. This is very important because plants themselves cannot fix atmospheric nitrogen they can only use inorganic form of nitrogen and convert it to organic compound. Organic nitrogenous compound. Now coming to the next type, that is free living is Azospirillum and Azotobacter, and symbiotic association is formed by mainly two types of organisms. So Azotobacter and Azospirillum. So Azotobacter and Azospirillum are free living bacteria present in soil. Now coming to next type, that is symbiotic. Symbiotic microbes work in association with plant as plants act as host as well as provide nutrition to the other microbe in symbiotic relationship. For example, number 1, Rhizobium forms root nodules in leguminous plants and fix atmospheric nitrogen. And next one, Mycorrhiza is symbiotic relationship between fungi and plants. Basically glomus. So glomus forms mycorrhiza, and what they do, they absorb fungi absorb phosphorus and provide it to the plants. As a result, plants show more growth and also tolerance to high salinity and drought. So third type is, one more type is there, that's cyanobacteria. So first one is free living, then symbiotic, Now the third type is cyanobacteria. Just a moment. Third type is cyanobacteria, or also called blue-green algae. Also called blue-green algae or algae, found in both terrestrial and aquatic environment. Can fix atmospheric nitrogen. For example, nostoc, Anabina oscillatoria, etc. So all these are used as biofertilizers because they increase the fertility, means nutrient content of soil. Now, why biofertilizers are better than chemical fertilizers? That's the next question we can discuss. Why biofertilizers are preferred over chemical fertilizers? Because chemical fertilizers can be very harmful to all the living beings present in the specific all the living beings, including human beings, and chemical fertilizers also cause pollution at a high rate of soil, water, air, etc. So both ways they are harming. If chemical fertilizers are ingested, means along with the food, if human beings eat the chemical fertilizers, they show different harmful effects inside the human body, and also they cause pollution. So biofertilizers do not show any of these effects, and they can biofertilizers do not have any harmful effects or side effects, as they are part of natural environment. So they do not cause any harm, and currently in our country a number of biofertilizers are available which are commercially used means commercially available, and farmers use them regularly in their fields to replenish soil nutrients and to reduce dependence on chemical fertilizers. So nowadays in India, several types of biofertilizers are commercially available for the farmers, and when they use these fertilizers, then they can increase the soil fertility, as well as they can reduce use of chemical fertilizers.